built a church from broken wires and called the sparks divine. They washed their hands in neon water and drank the warning signs. The bells were made of borrowed thunder. The doors were painted black. And every prayer we sent to heaven came distorted back.
Lost the ring. There were candles in the circuit. There were ghosts beneath the floor. There were lovers at the altar begging silence for one more. You said don't fear the darkness, it only wants a name. Then you kissed the glass cathedral, and the organ caught in flame. Oh, the night kept beating like a heart beneath the storm. Every shadow kneeling, every sinner not alone. We are the saints of static rain, dancing through the velvet pain, gated thunder in our veins, glass organ calling out our names. We are the lost, we are the flame, we are the beautiful remains. Midnight devotion, sweet decay, static rain will wash us away. There were brass horns in the distance, like a funeral for the stars, and the bass line moved beneath us like black horses pulling cars. All the saints wore broken mirrors, all the priests had silver eyes, and the choir sang in whispers under neon crucified skies. You said love is not salvation, it is hunger dressed in light. Then the snare cracked like a judgment, and the whole room turned to white. Oh, the night kept turning like a wheel beneath the sea. Every pulse was burning, every ghost looked just like me. We are the saints of static rain, dancing through the velvet pain, gated thunder in our veins, glass organ calling out our names. We are the lost, we are the flame, we are the beautiful remains. Midnight devotion, sweet decay, static rain will wash us away. If the machine has a soul, let it dream in minor keys. If the cathedral must fall, let it fall down on its knees. If devotion turns to poison, pour the poison into me. I have been faithful to the thunder.